Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to sell your digital products on Patreon. To do so, first you need to create a Patreon account. After creating an account, you will see a page like this. First, you need to check that you are viewing as a creator and not as a paid member. After doing so, click on Shop. After clicking on Shop, tap on Add Product. Here, they will ask you about the details of the digital product. First, fill in the detail. For now, I'm giving the title as Course of Digital Marketing. Then add a pricing for your. After adding the pricing, you can see the pricing of member pricing. After that, give a description about your product. After that, you will see an option of uploading the product's audio, video, image, and any other files like PDFs. After adding the details of your product, you can also upload a preview image here of your product. So for now, I'm adding a file here. You can also add multiple files like zip, or if you want to publish a book here, then you can add that also. After that, after reading the terms of use and privacy policy, click on I agree and then click on publish. As you can see, I have also uploaded the image. The preview image can be seen here. After that, you can press on publish and you have successfully posted your product on Patreon. To check that, you can go to the same shop. After clicking on shop, you can clearly see, and in your URL also you will see the /shop. So that means you can share this link with anyone. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this useful, then please like and share our video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.